Based on the synthesis of findings with a broader international perspective, systematic reviews generate implications for policy and practice. These implication sections often inadequately address factors relevant for the implementation of an intervention to different local contexts. Therefore, systematic reviews may offer limited strategies to undertake multi-level interpretation of the evidence. For this reason, we developed a guiding instrument to increase awareness in review authors when they formulate an implication section, and for end users of systematic reviews when they translate the review evidence into their local context. We called the instrument CONSENSYS. It stands for Contextual Sensitivity in Systematic Reviews. CONSENSYS is divided in 4 parts. Each of these parts represents a core element of context in healthcare. It is presented in the form of a checklist with 52 contextual factors to tick off. In addition, CONSENSYS provides triggering questions or statements to consider for structuring the implication section or support the reflection on how to translate evidence to a local context. CONSENSYS is supported to consider particular contextual factors and flag them out in the form of questions that may help program developers, managers, and other stakeholders to judge whether the interventions they are planning adequately address the issues that are important to intervention recipients. Its application works best in a team effort, respectively broader stakeholder engagement, where the instrument structure is used as a guiding aid. The process of identifying the need for implications for policy and practice usually remains formal. CONSENSYS satisfies the need for an informal and easy approach to reflect on important contextual factors that may influence implementation purposes. Used iteratively, CONSENSYS is a process of redesigning the implication sections without changing the core components of the intervention as recommended by the review evidence. Rather than defining the content of the implication sections, CONSENSYS should be perceived as a supporting structure to discuss the implication sections and their translation into practice.